Welcome to Proform Professional. Based on the breeding traits it inherits from its parents, with the right tools we can determine a horse's genetic preference for a particular going, distance or course. With this knowledge, the punter is afforded a distinct advantage when trying to determine which horses are suited to race conditions based on their breeding. In this series of videos, I will show you how you can use the System Builder feature to determine a sire's record at a specific going in the Proform Professional software. With the System Builder open, if you've used the System Builder previously, before starting a new query, the first thing we need to do is clear out any settings and parameters we have entered by pressing the red Reset Systems Variable button or pressing the function key F2. Now the System Builder is in its default state. The first step in the process of uncovering sire trends is to type in the name of the sire. As this is a horse-related parameter, we can input the name of the sire under the Horse tab. For the purposes of this video, we will use the sire Pivotal in our example. Next, we need to consider how we want the data displayed, and as part of the System Builder query, we can order the data in different ways under the Presentations tab. On this screen, we are presented with various options. I will touch upon each option in other videos, but for the moment, let's get a feel for Pivotal's progeny record over all ground conditions by displaying the results of our System Builder query using this option. I will explain why we selected the actual going in a moment. So, with no further criteria or constraints we wish to add, we can run the System Builder by pressing the green Run System button or pressing the function key F5. In the results screen, the output of our System Builder query is displayed. Under the System Qualifiers screen, we are shown the engagements of horses sired by Pivotal, which we could use as a starting point for any race analysis or selection method. Note the data is displayed as instructed by Going. I will explain the figures in greater detail in another video. As we can see, horses sired by Pivotal have optimum profitability when the actual going is good to soft. To recap, under the Presentations menu, we configure the System Builder to display the results of any query by actual going. Let me explain why. The going is determined by the amount of moisture in the ground, and the official going is assessed by the official steward, i.e. the clerk of the course, prior to the race or on the day of the race. Whereas the actual going is determined by the Proform Speed Rating going allowance calculations recorded after the meeting, which provides greater accuracy. There is controversy surrounding the accuracy and consistency of the going reports by the clerk of the course, as I shall now demonstrate. If we return to the record of the sire Pivotal over all going descriptions and drill into the results for good to soft with our mouse button, we can compare the official going description with the actual going as determined by Proform. Note the disparity. This is why we recommend the use of actual goings when assessing going preferences for sires and horses. If we wish to review a sire's record over a specific going, as this is a course-related parameter, we can select the going of interest under the Course tab. Within this section, we are provided with a number of options. We can select the Go-In of interest by positioning our mouse over the relevant section, right-clicking the mouse button, select None, and then use our mouse to select our preferred option. In Review, we have set up the System Builder to search for all data related to the record of horses side by Pivotal when they ran on good to soft Go-In and display the results by actual Go-In. We initiate our System Builder query again by pressing the function key F5. In the results screen, we are presented with the record of horses side by Pivotal on good to soft at all courses, grades and race types. For your own queries based on Go-In, please note the message in the System Qualifiers section. In another video, I will show you how you can set up the System Builder to use multiple factors to constrain your search criteria further. This concludes our video on how you can use a System Builder feature to determine the size record at a specific Go-In in the Proform Professional software. For further instructional videos, information and description options, please visit www.proformracing.com, contact us via email, or contact us using the social media links shown on the screen.